already been to the grocery store. So why do we always talk about portion size?
Our dinner is ready. This is yours and this is mine. And this is your cookie. This is my cookie. You got big cookie. Oh, it's cute.
They can't possibly be my cookies.
Ah, it looks so good. You think it looks good?
Yes, sweetie, it looks wonderful.
Okay, let's eat. Your cookie. My cookie. Why are you moving so slow? It smells good. Let's eat.
And what's the name of this?
Little ears.
Little ears. Are these actually... Tell me about it. How did you make it?
I boiled the pasta first and then I fried broccoli.
Did anything interesting happen when you fried the broccoli?
Yes, because I didn't know it had water in the bowl and I put the broccoli and go
In a bowl or in the skillet on the stove?
in the bowl.
Was there a skillet on the stove?
Yes,
Did the skillet on the stove have hot grease?
yes, it has hot.
And you dumped water into the hot skillet with oil?
I didn't know it has water in the bowl.
But what happened?
It's got oil all over.
Did it explode everywhere?
Yes.
I like it. Continue. Tell me what else. It's tasting a little bit spicy.
I put the red pepper flakes. It's not too spicy. The sausage tastes good.
No, you didn't tell me about the sausage. What kind of sausage?
It's Italian sausage, sweet sausage.
And there's some sort of white things on the top.
That's
What are
cheese.
those?
Cheese.
Parmesan cheese. Pretty good. How long did it take?
Less than 1 hour, including film.
Including the grease explosion?
No. It's very easy to cook this dish. Super easy.
How many calories are in it?
About 1,000 calories.
Per serving?
I think it's the whole thing. And you got more, so yours has 600 calories. Mine has 400.
So how many cups of pasta did you use? Because I thought pasta was very calorie rich.
1 bag, a small bag like this big.
Red pepper flakes part of the recipe? Or was this something that you added in?
It's a part of this recipe. Italian dish.
Boil the water, put the pasta in, bake the sausage,
Stir fry the sausage.
and then just mix it all together?
Yes. Is this too much for you?
No, I can always eat too much.
If it's too much, we can save it some for tomorrow. And our dessert, you have big cookies, I have tiny cookies. Yeah, this dish is very easy.
Do you prefer making this one, or do you prefer making the pork chops?
I prefer this one. This one also tastes better than the pork chop. Do you think this one tastes better?
This one reminds me of getting the lunches at my office. When I go to the cafeteria, they have this guy who's from the Mediterranean, and he makes pasta and mixes pasta with stuff, and this reminds me of his food. He's not always there. He only comes in on Tuesdays. And when he comes in, everybody lines up, and the line is really, really long for his station. And he's slow, and he likes to talk to everybody. And he has all his little pasta and his little pasta cup strainer things. And he boils the pasta in the boiling water, and he talks to you. And then he puts the sauce on top, and he always says, "How many tomatoes do you want?" And he's got tomato slices he puts with it.
Do you think I put too many pasta?
No, I think you put just the right amount of pasta ears.
This dinner was easy and fast. You eat so much. Were you hungry?
It's just dinner time, sweetie.
We have a lot of food in the fridge.
You should do a fridge tour.
Fridge tour.
Part 1 and Part 2. Part 1, the cold side. Part 2, the freezer side. If you really wanted to get crazy, you could make Part 3. Part 3, the vegetable crisper. Bum, bum, bum. The vegetable crisper. In a world where we thought vegetables were crisp, something went wrong in the vegetable crisper. Bum, bum, bum.
What is vegetable crisper?
Vegetable crisper is the thing where you keep the vegetables. It's the drawer in the bottom.
I really like the broccoli. I wish I had more broccoli than the pasta.
The vegetable crisper, the awakening. Bum, bum, bum. Vegetable crisper, the final chapter.
Are you full?
83%.
Really? Do you want more?
No.
If this dish mixed with noodles instead of the pasta, it'll taste good too.
There's no difference, just different shaped pasta.
Yes, but I prefer noodles. I don't know why I prefer noodles. It just feels good when it's in the mouth.
You like it because it's easier to make the noises.
It tastes better than the small ones. What do you want to do tonight?
Send off this proposal.
So you want work?
Well, we're married and it's Friday night. What else are we going to do? Clean the house, work, do some laundry.
It's Friday night. Since we don't eat out, we can go to the...
I mean, we already went shopping this week. We don't have any place to go on our date. We've already been to the grocery store.
We can go to another grocery store. Am I eating too slow?
No, but I am noticing, did you remember to put water in your flowers this week? Because they've managed to last almost one entire week without dying.
It has water like this high.
I know. I was surprised. Did you put water in it while I was gone?
No. It has water in it.
It just never evaporated?
No.
So you haven't put new water in it?
No.
Okay, so you're still trying to kill them. They just haven't died yet.
It has water in it, so we don't need to add more water. We need to change water, fresh water. It's been a week? Yes.
Yes, sweetie, it's been a week.
Oh, yes. I received it last Friday.
And you didn't put any water in it since last Friday?
It has water, still this high.
I know, I'm surprised it still has water. Usually the water would be gone by now. Okay, I thought you were just taking good care of your flowers, but nope.
I want to add more sauce to finish the pasta.
There's no sauce, baby. It's sauceless pasta with sauce.
I can add
Ketchup?
hot sauce. Wear out the chili oil hot sauce.
So we have to go to the grocery store to get some more?
We don't have to go this week.
We can get dressed up and go to the grocery store to get your chili hot sauce. We can try the new Chinese grocery store, see if they got chili hot sauce over there on Peachtree Road.
Yes, we can try that one. We have never been to that one. Maybe it's different. I finished all the vegetables and meat. I don't really like the pasta because
Don't eat it.
because it's not shaped like noodles. It's just different. It's the texture is different when you chew it.
What do you need, baby?
I need gochujang. If you are working tonight, I will edit videos. I need some hot sauce. I have a lot of food I want to make you. Wow.
Actually, I'm full. 83% full. Maybe a little more.
Yeah, I'm full too. I wasn't very hungry because I have been eating it for 21 minutes.
So why do we always talk about portion size and calories? We're gaining weight, aren't we? I am.
Why is not talking about? I often talk about this with mom. Have you finished? Do you want dessert? I'll have two. Super cute. What do you want for dessert?
I'm not really thinking about dessert now. I can eat dessert. I can always eat. The question is whether or not I need to. Because all I ever do every day is sit on my butt and type on the computer.
Bye. I'm not super full. I think that's good. Goodbye. What are you doing?
I'm playing with the people in the cookies.
Wow, we have lots of cookies.
He's sitting on the cookies. Doink, doink. Maybe he can be the cookie king. He's sitting on his cookie throne. Cookie king. It's the cookie kings.
Oh.
The cookie king and queen. Cookie king and queen.
What are you doing? Oh, no, no,